So hi everyone, as you can see a new model is trending on top 1 on Hugging Face, that is Qwen QWQ32B model. Now if you don't know, this is a competitor to DeepSeek R1 which has been dethroned to H2 on trending on Hugging Face, because this model is able to give you almost a similar performance with just 5% of the parameters. Yes, you heard it right. It is right now one of the best reasoning LLMs with 1/20th the size of DeepSeek R1. So in this particular video, I will be demonstrating you which one is better and whether you should be using QWQ32B or you should be using DeepSeek R1. So let's get started. So here is a comparison of the two models. Talking about the size, QWQ32B has just 32 billion parameters compared to DeepSeek R1 671 billion parameters. That means QWQ has just 5% of the parameters, giving you almost the similar performance. This is great. Apart from that, now you can even think of running a reasoning model in your local system. That's the best part. Running R1 requires a lot of GPU. Talking about the benchmark numbers, as you can see, the model is very close on AIME, mathematical reasoning 24 with 79.5, while R1 is 79.8. Comparing on live bench and live bench coding, on coding proficiency, as you can see, QWQ is better in one while DeepSeek R1 is better than other. But given the, again, just consider the size of the model, any day QWQ32B should be your preferred one. Or in terms of logical reasoning, QWQ is way ahead of DeepSeek R1. Talking about web search capabilities, stronger real-time search, and DeepSeek R1 has limited web search functionality. But unfortunately, QWQ doesn't support images, while DeepSeek R1 does support images. Computationally efficiency, QWQ is high, while DeepSeek R1 is low. In terms of speed also, QWQ is way faster as compared to R1. Accuracy, I think, is the most important part. Accuracy for both the models is high, occasionally misses in complex tasks for QWQ, while in case of DeepSeek R1, at times it has some execution errors in coding. Talking on multilingual support, for QWQ, the team has very clearly mentioned that it supports about 29 plus languages, while in case of DeepSeek R1, the number hasn't been mentioned, and both the models are open sourced. So this is a comparison. I think the size is a major game changer here because the model is way smaller as compared to the original R1 model. When to use QWQ32B? High reasoning and coding efficiency, logical and mathematical reasoning is priority, fast execution is important. And web search and real-time data retrieval are also important, focused on multilingual text processing as they have very explicitly mentioned it. When to use DeepSeek R1? Large scale, multi-model. I think multi-model is the unique feature for R1, which takes DeepSeek R1 a little way ahead as compared to QWQ. Accuracy and code execution matters more than speed. Access to high-end hardware. If you don't have high hardware, you should not be opting for R1. And if you're wishing for more comprehensive responses, go for DeepSeek R1. I think taking a final call, QWQ32 is should be chosen if you want fast, efficient, and accurate reasoning with coding with low computational resources. As mentioned, it has just 5% of the parameters, while R1 is the OG model. Everyone has tested it now for like 1.5 months, and it is a proven model now. So if you are looking for deeper contextual reasoning and if you have decent hardware, you can go with DeepSeek R1 as well. Thank you.